Welcome to the top picks. The best Apollo Pex Fittings is probably one of the most crucial components for any plumbing project, offering a reliable and efficient way to connect PX tubing for both hot and cold water applications. These fittings are engineered with durability and ease of use in mind, ensuring a secure and leak-free connection that stands the test of time, making them a preferred choice for DIY enthusiasts and professional plumbers alike. When you're looking to build or repair your plumbing system, the quality of your fittings can make all the difference in preventing costly leaks and ensuring the longevity of your installation. Number 5. Conbraco Apollo PX Cinch Clamp Tool. Meet the Conbraco Apollo PX Cinch Clamp Tool, designed for efficient and reliable pipe connections. Its one-hand operation makes it incredibly easy to use. This tool allows for effortless one-hand operation, simplifying your plumbing tasks. You can achieve secure connections with minimal effort. It accommodates a versatile size range, from 3/8" to 1" PX pipes. This ensures compatibility with various project needs. Crafted for durability, this tool is built to last. You can count on its reliability for all your PX plumbing jobs. Its compact design makes it convenient to store and transport. This tool is a practical addition to any plumber's toolkit. Manufactured in China, its package dimensions are 29.3 cm in height, 4.5 cm in length, and 21.5 cm in width. This ensures it arrives ready for use. What we like. This tool offers unparalleled ease of use with its one-hand operation. If you're looking for a tool that reduces fatigue during long plumbing jobs and ensures a secure connection every time, this is your best bet. It's ideal for DIYers and professionals alike who value efficiency and comfort. What people say. The Apollo Pex Fittings are a great choice for plumbing projects. They are easy to install and create a secure connection. The quality of the materials used ensures durability and longevity. Number 4. Apollo PX 6907920 CP 20-port PX Manifold. Introducing the Apollo PX 6907920 CP Manifold, designed to simplify your home's plumbing. This 20-port system offers unparalleled control over your water lines. Connect hot and cold lines directly to each fixture with ease. This ensures efficient water delivery exactly where you need it. Gain complete control over your home's water supply. It creates a single-point shutoff for all fixtures, making maintenance and emergencies much simpler. Each unit features an equal number of hot and cold outlets. These are equipped with 1 2" PX Barb shutoff valves for precise management. The inlet sizes are 1 MPT, and each manifold comes with a reducing adapter to 3/4 PX Barb. This ensures compatibility and straightforward installation. Built with robust PXB material, this manifold is made to last. It provides a reliable and long-term solution for your plumbing needs. What we like. This manifold provides ultimate control over your home's plumbing system. If you need the ability to shut off water to individual fixtures or the entire house from one central point, this is the solution. It's perfect for larger homes or renovations where precise water management is key. What people say. The fittings are easy to use and install, saving time and effort. The quality of the material is excellent, ensuring durability and reliability. The design is compact and allows for tight connections, preventing leaks. Number 3. Apollo PX Multi-Head Crimp Tool Kit. Discover the versatility of this essential tool kit. It's designed for a wide range of PX tubing sizes, making your plumbing tasks easier. This tool is engineered for precision and durability. Its multi-head design ensures a secure and reliable crimp every time. Crafted with quality in mind, it offers long-lasting performance. You can depend on it for all your PX crimping needs. Despite its robust construction, it remains compact and easy to handle. Its dimensions make it convenient for storage and transport. Proudly manufactured in China, this tool kit represents excellent craftsmanship. It's a valuable addition to any professional's or DIYer's toolkit. What we like. This kit is designed for versatility, offering multiple head sizes for different PX pipe dimensions. If you're working on a project that requires crimping various sizes of PX pipe, this comprehensive kit will save you from buying multiple tools. It's a great all-in-one solution for plumbers tackling diverse jobs. What people say. The fittings are easy to use and install. The quality of the material is good and durable. Number 2. Apollo Valves PX34 Copper Pro Crimp Ring, 75 pack. Introducing the Apollo Valves PX Pro Crimp Rings. This convenient 75 pack comes in a resealable jar for easy storage and access. Our innovative design ensures the fastener is always in the proper position. This prevents slippage during installation, making your job easier. These are designed specifically for use with 3/4-inch PX pipe and fittings. They create an economical and fast plumbing system. Achieve a solid and secure connection every time. Trust in the quality and reliability of our products for your plumbing needs. Get a 75 pack of these essential Pro Crimp rings. The resealable jar keeps them organized and ready for your next project. What we like. These crimp rings offer a fast and economical way to create secure plumbing connections. If you prioritize a reliable and straightforward installation process, especially for 3/4-inch PX systems, this pack is an excellent choice. The innovative design ensures proper alignment, making it ideal for both new installations and repairs. What people say. The Apollo Pex Fittings are a great choice for plumbing projects. They are easy to install and provide a secure connection. I was impressed with the quality of the Apollo Pex Fittings. They are made from durable materials and are built to last. The Apollo Pex Fittings are a cost-effective solution for PX plumbing. They offer excellent value for the price. Number 1. Apollo Valves PX-PAC 3450JR PX Barb Coupling. Introducing the Apollo Valves PX Barb Coupling, a high-quality fitting designed for your plumbing needs. It offers a reliable and durable solution for connecting PX pipes. This product comes in a convenient Pro Pack, containing 50 fittings inside a resealable jar. This ensures you have enough for your project and easy storage. It represents one of the most economical piping systems available. Furthermore, it is lead-free and corrosion-proof, ensuring the safety and longevity of your installation. Constructed from a polysulfone alloy, it provides superior corrosion resistance and exceptional durability. This material ensures it can withstand demanding conditions. This fitting meets key industry standards, including UPC, IPC, and CUPC. You can trust its quality and compliance for your projects. It is fully compatible with PX pipe, which is sold separately. This allows for seamless integration into your existing or new PX piping system. What we like. This plastic coupling provides a lead-free and corrosion-proof solution for your PX piping needs. If you're looking for an economical and durable fitting that won't degrade over time, this is the product for you. It's especially suitable for applications where corrosion resistance is a primary concern. What people say. These fittings are easy to use and install. The quality of the fittings is excellent, and they seem very durable. I was impressed with how secure the connections were after installation. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.